How to create account in Fantasy Premier League. It's very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by moving into Application Premier League. Tap on Accept All or Reject All. Tap on Join My PL. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to log into your account or create an account if you do not have one yet. You can create your account with the help of your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, and also Twitter account. So let me click on Join with Google for now. Now first of all, enter the email address from which you want to create an account. Once you've entered your email address, tap on Next. Now simply click on Continue at the bottom. Scroll all the way down and once again tap on Continue. Well, if you already have your account, then all you gotta do is enter the email address and the password. But if you do not have your account yet, then it will land you on the page where you'll need to enter some of the information of yours. Enter all the information that you are asked to, and then tap on Confirm. After that, your account will be created successfully, and then you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.